Welcome back to Profitify, the hub for turning your spare time into serious cash. Today, we're revealing the 7 laziest ways to make money online. These methods are so simple, they practically print money while you sleep. Our first method is taking online surveys. Imagine earning money just by sharing your opinions. Companies are always seeking feedback and willing to pay for it. All you need to do is sign up for reputable survey sites and start earning from the comfort of your couch. Next, we have dropshipping. With this method, you can run an online store without any inventory or shipping hassles. It's as simple as setting up a store, finding suppliers who handle the inventory and shipping, and watching the profits roll in. Then there's affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for every sale you generate. It's as easy as becoming an affiliate for companies like Amazon or ClickBank and incorporating affiliate links in your content. Following that, we have print on demand. If you're a creative soul, you can create custom designs for a range of products. You design, they print and ship. It's like running your own merchandise line with zero upfront costs. Next up, freelancing. Got a skill? Turn it into a lucrative side hustle by offering your services on freelancing platforms. You set your own rates, work on projects that interest you, and enjoy the freedom of being your own boss. Then, creating and selling online courses. If you're an expert in a field, why not share your knowledge with the world? Once your course is live, you can sit back and watch the passive income roll in. And finally, starting a YouTube channel. With features like ads, sponsorships, and merchandise, you can turn your passion into a profitable venture, all while doing what you love. And that's a wrap on the 7 laziest ways to make money online. Stay savvy, moneymakers, and we'll see you next time on Profitify.